here today at Donald Berman Maimonides Geriatric Center, celebrating the spring edition of the exhibition called Splashes and Dashes, Expressions of the Heart. And we've been working on this for about 8 months now. We're really excited to see all the beautiful artworks of staff, volunteers, and obviously the residents here today.
As long as I'm able to do that, I feel better about myself and my ability to give to society. That's what this painting is all about.
Beautiful. Doing this vernissage has been a great way to bring the community together, so residents and staff and companions and family members.
I'm not copying anything, I'm not imagining. It's very, very much from the stream of consciousness.
It goes from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, finally the finale, right here. This is the beginning, this is the end.
What's your favorite part of the exhibition?
Everything.
Everything. Where we beautify the space and we bring color and life into an institution that's often thought of as a place where people only come to die. And it's not true, because this is a place where people live the end of their days and they fill their days with life and color.